Having breakfast.
You're a birdie? Ollie, you're a birdie!
At the open house.
Ooh, Thor picture. You want pencils or crayons? Crayons?
Deeper, faster, I'm going for it. Hey, two thumbs. Hey, way up, leading lady. What a dish. What? Get out of there, you big mom.
Hi.
I did great. There you go, slow.
Who's you? All you. Oh, yeah, I think that's what it is.
Gonna do art.
Alright, so we're going to put in her little tongue. So her tongue is just going to be right in the center over on this edge over here. It's going to cross over to the middle and stop there.
Okay, we got pizza. We're on the pool deck. We're all dressed up. The sun decided to come out.
Yep.
I see him too.
Friends say to go to Mickey's Art Tonight with me? Oh, then Mickey's Art Tonight! Yes, ma'am!
Dinner.
She did it though? This is how she went like this. Or she did some way that made it like flap. Like,
Oh.
where's your butterfly? Is your butterfly? Did you hide it? Did you hide your butterfly? Did you hide it?
Alright? Question number one. Are you hungry? Yeah! Oh, well, I knew you were. Well, Chef and I have been cooking up some mighty fine fixings all afternoon. My daddy's recipes, of course. We got a hot Louisiana crab dip in the oven, and a lime marinated jumbo shrimp with a jambalaya rice to die for. And of course, the Tiana's Place baked Alaskan to finish it all off. We sure hope y'all enjoy some of the best French Quarter fixings this side of the Mississippi. But of course, nothing makes all that food taste better than enough fried eggs. And somebody cooking on the keys. Woo-wee! To stir everything up in here. So question number two. Are y'all ready to get this place swinging with some nice jazz?
Yeah.
I sure am sure, because that leads me to my third and final question. You know, this ain't just a restaurant, and this ain't just a stage, no. Why, this is South's one and only summer club dance hall, and y'all can make it just that. So are you ready to dance?
Yeah.
Alright, well help me welcome to the stage our very special guest, the Crawfish Crooners!
Thank you, Miss Tiana. And thank you, everybody. I hope you all have as much fun as we're going to have tonight. All right, look, enjoy the food, enjoy the fun. Now let's get a little crazy in here. Oh, when the saints. Number 11.
Think of Christmas, think of snow, think of sleigh bells.
5:30 and 8:15. 2 o'clock is.
You want to hit the next one over?
I don't know.
Sandwiches. Jeez. Hot dogs and hi. Jalapeno. How's your snackies?
Great. The hot dogs are good. Let me try the poppers. That's what everyone wants to know about. They're cheddar peanuts.
Ooh.
They're all cheddar.
All cheddar.
Yeah.
See your plate. Num num num.
More Family Magical Cruise.
Oh.
Eduardo Guest Services.
Aww. Okay, and then
So
this is from
the Burns family.
the Burns family.
So you got. That's for you.
I've got some goodies.
Oh.
John got goodies.
I got goodies. And Alice got some goodies. She
Got
some.
goodies too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, and then Alice also got this. And we got pixie dusted with some peanut M&Ms. And this cool bowl. This is Alice.
Oh, wow.
And some little bracelet pieces and stickers. And then this bag, which was from them. And there is ears and some cups and 2 cups, a towel, memory game, some glasses, magnet, flashlight, and some waxy sticks. Here's Alice's bed. And we got a little bear tonight. And Alice already took the chocolates.